What is so special about Malava Market? In this video, we are going to look at the aerial view of Malava, some different parts, and how this beautiful town is surrounded by the forest. If you have not watched our videos, just click the links in the description or just stick up to the end of this video. That video will just come automatically. First thing first, intro. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So Malava ni town iko located Kakamega North, na nika town kamegrow sana, but most of the time here market huwa inakuwa hapa on every Friday. So every Friday kukuja hapa kuna kuanga na market. What we are going to see in this video, just some aerial parts of Malava, how it is surrounded by this beautiful forest. So this side unaona huku hii ni njia while you are heading to Kitale. Huku ni kama unaelekea Kitale. Then this one ni kama unaelekea Kakamega. This side ya Kitale ndio unaona kumesurroundiwa na msitu, a very beautiful forest, wanyama. So unaweza kuja tembea huko. So hii barabara ya kuelekea Kitale imepita tu katikati ya msitu. At the end of this video, I'll show you the video advert we did for the beautiful hotel that is called Malava K. Hapo kama unaweza kuja unalala, anything to do with the resort, unakuja Malava K. Kumbuka nilisema huwa tunafanya business advert. Ukiwa na biashara unataka ilete bring in more sales, kindly make sure umetupigia simu tukuje tukufanyie business advert video, na pia tunafanya social media management. All that information, just call your number on your screen right now. So let's continue. Na msitu yenyewe iko very natural na very cool. Ukitembea unasikia tembea, but sitaingia huko ndani leo because nimesema at the end of this video kuna business nafuata tuifanyia advert, that's why. But as you can see from that aerial view, it's a very big forest by the way. Then remember to subscribe the channel because next video I'll be showing you Kakamega forest. Tuko tena tuone wanyama, but this video I was just ilikuwa ya kuonyesha Malava forest and the aerial views of Malava Market. But the next video itakuwa ya after ya kambi ya Mwanza, kutakuwa na video ya Kakamega forest, tuende tuone wanyama, waterfalls, etc. Malava also has some famous buildings like the Rosan building.
Kulboi on the rise, lens up in the sky, make a house look like a dream, make a brand look set to fly. From villas to the sand, from tours to boardroom plans, we capture what they want, then we turn it into demand. You want eyes, you want clicks, you want buyers, we make it stick. One clean shot, then the truth, they don't scroll past what we shoot. Cool boy, make it sell fast.